news on Acholi TV. Man masquerades as Lamwo district. RDC has been arrested. In a shocking turn of events, a man claiming to be the resident district commissioner of the RDC of Lamwo has been arrested in Soroti city. This brazen act of impersonation has left authorities and residents astounded. Authorities in Soroti city have arrested Charles Odori, who has been falsely representing himself as the Lamwo RDC. The arrest was carried out by the East Choga Region Police on December 31st, 2024, following complaints of unpaid hotel bills and fraudulent claims. Commander Charles Odori has been living in various hotels in Soroti city without settling his bills. At Landmark Hotel, he accumulated a debt of 1.4 million shillings, while Mongil Hotel recorded 640,000 shillings in unpaid fees. His claims of being an RDC and IT officer for the National Resistance Movement are false. That's what Commander has clarified on him. The commander's name is Damale Nachwa, while speaking to the New Vision. Odori was arrested alongside Ronald Moro, a soldier attached to the Air Force. The duo reportedly enjoyed accommodations without paying and deceived various entities in the city. To add to the audacity, Odori was invited as the chief guest during the Soroti Cricket Association's 10th anniversary celebrations. He handed out awards and even pledged a 2 million shillings donation to the association, further commenting his fraudulent persona. Police have been confirmed that charges have made on this man of impersonation and obtaining services by false pretenses, and will be pressed against the suspect. Investigations are ongoing to uncover the full extent of their activities. Stay tuned, stay subscribed on Acholi TV for more updates on this intriguing story. Thank you.